Hello again. I will be showing in this tutorial how we can edit a polyline to join selected segments. There would be some times where you have individual lines or lines that are not forming a closed polyline, so you need to join them. Let's start. So starting, I'll be just drawing some random lines and show how we can convert this line into a polyline. There is a quick and simple way. Just select these two lines, and from the home modify panel, expand it and select the command join, and by this command you can see that this now becomes a polyline, and you can see the name of the object from the properties. You can do escape now, and what I'll be doing is I'll be continue to draw a polyline. So I'll go from home, ribbon, polyline, and make sure that OSNAP is turned on, so you can snip to the edge of the line or the end of the line, and then I will continue drawing a polyline and make that shape a closed shape by clicking at the end and then press enter. Now you can see that we have two separate polylines as indicated in the screen. You can see the highlight of them. So this is the first one, and this is the here the second one. So that's where I will be using the PEDIT command to join them together. From the home ribbon again, modify, expand the commands and select edit polyline, or you can type PEDIT as well. It will prompt to ask you to select a polyline. So you could select the first polyline. So we notice that drop menu of commands appears, and start with a close and then join. So I will select join and select the other polyline, and again right click, and notice now you will have the first command is open, and this is a proof that now the two polylines forms a closed polyline. So what I'll do, I'll press enter to end the command, and when I highlight on the object, you can see it's a closed polyline now. If I click here, it's a polyline and the shape is closed as can be seen. So eventually you can use the join option to combine polylines, as long as each polyline shares the endpoint with the next polyline. So this is very important. And that's it really. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I can see you in another video.